Introduction to JavaScript Testing. Testing is essential to ensure code works as expected. Testing helps to prevent bugs. Different types of testing include unit testing, integration testing, and end-to-end testing. Understanding JavaScript testing. JavaScript testing involves verifying the application's functionality. Regular testing helps catch bugs earlier, simplify code refactoring, and improve the quality of the application. Common JavaScript testing libraries. Jest, a popular testing framework developed by Facebook, suitable for all types of testing. Mocha, a flexible JavaScript testing framework that runs on Node.js, commonly used with an assertion library like Chai. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Not testing enough. Cover as many scenarios as possible, including edge cases. Overtesting. Focus on testing the behavior of the application, not its implementation. Ignoring failing tests. If a test fails, fix it immediately. Tips and tricks for JavaScript testing. Automate your testing. Use continuous integration tools to run tests automatically. Keep tests small and simple. Each test should cover a single piece of functionality. Use descriptive test names. Test names should clearly describe what the test does. Conclusion: JavaScript testing is a crucial part of the development process. Using the right testing types, tools, and practices can help ensure robust, maintainable, and bug-free code.